Good afternoon, this is Aaliyah and Kyle at Western Material Handling here in Denver, Colorado. We're just super excited to show you our unit number D21118D, which is a good operating 2006 CAT DP40K, which is just a 9,000 pound capacity pneumatic tire forklift, 179-inch 2-stage mast. It has a side shift carriage, 6-foot forks. It's a good running diesel engine, it's good to hear that. It's got great solid pneumatic tires, an automatic transmission, recent repairs, tune-up kit, a new PM service, and a lovely new paint job. It is ready for work as well. Check out this unit as well as countless others at either Fort Collins or Denver locations or at abetterforklift.com. Thank you.